Hello friends. In the year 1736, Wadia brothers started an indigenous enterprise for ship repairing and shipbuilding. It emerged into today's naval dockyard. The occasion for the stamp is 250th anniversary of Naval Dockyard, Bombay. 75th anniversary of first official airmail flight. It flew between Allahabad and Naini. Tansen, the legendary singer. 50th anniversary of Corbett National Park. The word adventure is akin to our armed forces. First Indian sailing expedition around the world. The crew comprised of officers from Indian Army Corps of Engineers. The ship sailed from September 1985 to January 1987. Name of the sailboat was Trishna. The blue line in the stamp denotes the route map. The occasion is centenary of Southeastern Railway. 4 stamps were published on that occasion. Out of 4, I have only one which depicts service rendered by this Southeastern Railway to 5 steel plants of India and the insignia of Southeastern Railway. Remaining 3 stamps are on my want list. The want list and its fulfillment is an exciting journey for a philatelist. This stamp depicts Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Many deeds of creation and action go along with such great personality, out of which I will quote one. In the year 1919, Gurudev relinquished his knighthood as a protest against the British atrocities at Jallianwala Bagh. J. Krishnamurti, the philosopher. I quote him, quote, "My only concern is to set man absolutely and unconditionally free." Unquote. India hosted World Philatelic Exhibition at New Delhi during 20th to 29th January 1989. As the first precursor to this mega event, 2 stamps are taken out. The one to the left depicts stylized swan, which is the logo for the exhibition. The one to the right is Hall of Nations at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. That was the venue for the event. Second precursor to the same event. 4 landmarks of the Delhi are exhibited. From top left clockwise, Iron Pillar, India Gate, Diwan-e-Khas in Red Fort and Old Fort. Samarth Ramdas Swami. One of his shlok I read, "वह्नितो चेतवावारे चेतविताच चेततो प्रयत्ने जाणुनी मोठा वाढविताची वाढतो." Swami is upholding the importance of hard work and efforts. Freedom 40, Swarajya, a sea tenant stamp. It reads the famous quotation of Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak, "Swarajya is my birthright." Look at the strokes and style of the stamp design. And the horse. Yes, the stamp design is by M.F. Hussain. On the first day cover we can see Lal, Bal and Pal, the Trimurti of that era. Wildlife Week. On the first day cover is ornithologist Salim Ali. 150 years of Times of India. The depiction and cancellation mark both are noteworthy. Birsa Munda, the freedom fighter. He brought the message of freedom to Adivasi. Silver Jubilee of Bhakra Dam. 125th anniversary of Lucknow State Museum. The depiction is of Goddess Durga on lion. It is from 5th century terracotta on plaque. 75th anniversary of Sydenham College of Commerce and Economics, Bombay. Adi Shankaracharya. The depiction reads Advaita. Centenary of Kirloskar. The depiction shows the barren land with cactus on one side and the cog on the other. Rightly they say, picture speaks much more than the words. M.G. Ramachandran, the veteran filmmaker, actor and politician. Bombay Sappers, presentation of colors, that is Dhwaja Pradhan Samaroha. Historical cities of India, from top left clockwise, palace and sand dunes of Bikaner, Barabatti and Odissi Nritya of Katak, Charminar of Hyderabad, Calcutta Tercentenary. The stamp on the left depicts Ochterlony Monument, now called as Shahid Minar. The one to the right depicts 18th century shipping on the river Ganga, along with the old Fort Williams on the background. Thank you for keeping company of Vishwas Joshi in this hopefully joyful journey of Philately of India.